I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your eSIM to a new iPhone on Bell, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Before you start the transfer, ensure your new iPhone is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. This will help with the activation process. Step 2. Access your old iPhone. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Cellular. This is where you will find your eSIM details. Step 3. Remove the eSIM from old iPhone. In the cellular settings, select your eSIM plan and tap on Remove Cellular Plan. Confirm the action to delete the eSIM from your old device. Step 4. Set up eSIM on new iPhone. Before activation, use the srock.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Activate your eSIM. Once you've added the eSIM, follow any on-screen instructions to activate it. You might need to restart your iPhone for the changes to take effect. Remember, if you encounter an issue with the eSIM doesn't deactivate, check that your old iPhone is still connected to the network during the transfer. Good luck with your new iPhone.